Jesse Matthews' trial in Fairfax is over. After 3 days of testimony, the court got a guilty plea instead of a guilty verdict. Matthew entered what's called an Alford Plea. WDBJ7's Nadine Mazer was the only TV reporter from Roanoke inside the courtroom. She is live tonight in Fairfax.
Gene, the jury never got this case. Entering into an Alford plea means Jesse Matthew acknowledges there is enough evidence to convict him, but it allows him to maintain his innocence. Now, an end to this trial has been a long time coming. This investigation opened up back in 2005, and 10 years later, the victim in this case says she finally has what she's been looking for, and that's justice.
It's been an emotional 3 days inside this Fairfax County courthouse for not only the victim, but Jesse Matthews' family as well, and it has finally come to an end.
Are you Jesse's father?
Yes.
How do you feel about him taking the plea agreement?
No comments, please. Thank you.
Okay. Are you Jesse's sister?
Fairfax Commonwealth's attorney Ray Murrow wanted the case to make it to the jury, but he says he is not upset by the outcome.
This is just part of the process. The defendant has a right under the Virginia Constitution to plead guilty, and the judge honored that right, and that sometimes happens in this business.
14 jurors heard from at least 10 witnesses this week. Some were at the crime scene the night RG was attacked. Others had a part in this nearly decade-long investigation.
I was very confident in the case that we were building.
And Murrow thinks that confidence will carry over to 2 other cases. Now that this trial is over, Matthew will head to Charlottesville. That's where he is facing the death penalty in the death of UVA student Hannah Graham. Murrow thinks his work here has helped lay the groundwork for prosecutors in Charlottesville.
Now he's convicted of about the most serious crimes you can be convicted of, and that might put a little hitch in his giddy up at the next trial, but who's to say?
Matthew will be sentenced on October 2nd. He faces 3 life sentences. Murrow says he talked to the victim in this. Says she's happy this has all come to an end. Obviously very overwhelming. And Gene, there is a bit of frustration up here right now. I talked to some jurors on their way out after they were excused from the trial, and viewers will hear from them coming up tonight at 6 on WDBJ 7. Gene?
All right, Nadine, thank you. We will hear from jurors coming up at 6. We'll see you then.